things really got out of control here. You can see all the weeds, all the trash, all the debris. This is so overgrown and needs to be taken care of right away. We get so busy that sometimes I just can't keep up. And this is all from the guys coming back and they just empty out their trailer or their van and put it all right over here, leaving it for me to clean up. If you really want to take care of your property, you really can't let this go like I did. But this is only going to take about an hour to do. Going to clean all that up, get out the mower, cut down the weeds, and straighten up the board house. The board house is actually for all the surfboards, the windsurfing boards, and the kayaks. This is where I keep them sheltered. Even here in October in Florida, it is 95 degrees and, in full sun it's probably 120. It's unbelievably hot. This is the hardest part of this job. We're almost ready to get the mower out and cut down all those weeds and rearrange the boards in the boathouse. It really is a great project, something that you put off and I put off. I think everyone puts this off, but it's easy to do if you just put your mind to it and say, hey, I'm going to make this happen today. Remember, I'm 67 years old, and it is a struggle for me to do this, especially when it's so hot. The secret is to stay hydrated, drink lots of fluids. I like to drink water, but you could drink Gatorade or whatever it is that you like to drink. Make this happen. You can do it. One of the best investments I ever got was that tractor. That's a Cub Cadet. I've had a little bit of problems with it, but it sure beats a push mower. I mean, the push mower works great, but that Cub Cadet really takes care of the grass and the weeds quickly.
So about an hour, just clean it up, get there. Now we'll clean up those boards. This was actually the board house, the boathouse, and everybody's been throwing all their debris when they pull in to the shop here. They just dump all their stuff here. So that's just 2 weeks. And did you see how overgrown that was in just 2 weeks? That's just amazing. It's not even raining and it's just overgrown completely.
So now all that's left is pull the boards off of the racks and get those weeds that are behind there. I love to windsurf, and if you've never surfed or windsurfed, I urge you to give it a try. Even if you just lay on your belly and paddle out in the waves, you will have such a great time. I really think that if you were out there in the waves with me, you would feel so comfortable. It is so much fun, and this time of year, that water is 88 degrees. How many of you watch these guys that cut these yards for free, or at least they say they do? And I mean, they have so many views. It's interesting to watch that. It's kind of like they have nothing else better to do or they can't get a job. But anyways, they are pretty cool videos. So that's kind of what we're showing you here is this is what I'm doing to clean up this area. And I'm doing it for free because it's our office. So this winter, if you're coming to Florida, shoot me an email. I would love to take you surfing. I've got plenty of boards, can take you out there, show you, teach you how to surf. You'll love it, I promise. Once you learn to surf, I promise you will never find anything better. It is such a great stress relief and so much fun. If you're staying in Orlando, it's only about 30 minutes over to Cocoa Beach. And what a great beach to go to and just enjoy yourself, your friends, your family. Let me show you the real Florida. Okay, let's put all these boards, stack them up, and we're done. This only took about an hour, and yeah, it'll grow back again. I really hope you enjoyed the video. There is so much more to Florida and what we do here than just drains. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I'm out here on New Smyrna Beach, beautiful beach. Take a look at this new video explaining why French drains work, how they work, and how slow they work. Be sure to check out the new channel, French Drain Science. The link is in the description box below.
Hey everybody, Nash and Joe with the Tampa Drain Dudes.
We are incredibly excited to announce that we are now partnered with Apple Drains. And what that means is that we are going to be taking over all of their clientele in this Tampa Bay area, which also includes...
We're going to go as far north as Brooksville, we're going to go as far east as Lakeland, and south as South Tampa, St. Petersburg area. If the job is the right size and we really need to help our clients out, we'll go a little bit more north, a little bit more east, and a little bit more south, just depending on what you guys' needs are. Joe, you got anything to add?
We're going to cover all exterior drainage that you may need: French drains, sump pumps, channel drain, gutter downspout redirection, all that good stuff. So check us out, tampadraindudes.com. We are incredibly happy and thankful for this experience to partner with Chuck from Apple Drains. And we look forward to this relationship.
All right, guys, remember, Tampa Drain Dudes are simply smarter at diverting water. Y'all take care.